Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the exact battery type and voltage. This matters because cells look similar but behave differently. Once you have the replacement and tools, case opener, tweezers, plastic pick, position the watch face down on a soft cloth. Use a steady grip and begin prying at the designated notch. Don't force it. Make small, controlled movements to lift the back. Once the back is loose, set it aside safely so you don't lose the gasket or screws. Now focus on the movement and battery. First, photograph or note the orientation of the old cell. This ensures correct placement later. Use plastic tweezers or a non-metallic tool to move the retaining clip or spring. Release tension slowly because sudden slips can damage small parts. Lift the old cell straight out, avoiding contact with movement parts. Once removed, check the gasket for cracks and clear dust from the compartment with a blower. This prevents. Place the new cell in the same orientation you recorded, making sure it sits flush in its seat. Press gently to ensure contact. Reposition the retaining clip and confirm the watch resumes movement. Seconds hand or digital display should start immediately. If it doesn't, recheck polarity and clip alignment. Next, replace or realign the gasket, then press the case back evenly until it snaps or use a case press for screw-down types. Troubleshooting tip. If the watch still fails, reopen and verify.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.